Okay, our next winner.
We have Junello Ucan.
Janelo,
Yes!
pasok ka na sa stage.
Ayan na. Ito.
Okay.
Okay.
Quick photo daw tayo with Sir Manny.
Tayo.
Dito dito center stage.
Sir.
Alright.
Okay. Picture.
A video daw. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, now it's your
Try
time.
natin.
Nasundo
Okay.
natin punching machine.
Oo. Nakakatuwa. Okay. Are we ready, Junello?
Janelo,
Okay.
ready?
3.
Wait.
Okay.
Kailangan mo bumaba nung ating punching
Okay.
machine.
Okay.
Anytime. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Oy.
Lakas din ha?
Parang may pinagdadaanan si Kuya.
Oy,
Matalas
bilis
dinaan.
pa. Taas din.
Okay.
96.48.
Oo. But still, hindi pa rin natalo. Thank you
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you.
Ang next natin na tatawagin, Gideon Ucan.
Gideon.
Eto na. Nakakatuwa, yung mga paskil dito. Sir Manny, basahin lang natin yan. Ayan, Pac-Man, pahag naman at autograph, pamasko mo na sa akin. Merry Christmas!
Virtual hug na lang.
Oh.
Mula sa malayo. Okay, picture na po tayo. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright.
Okay!
Jerry, dito na tayo sa ating punching machine.
Ready na.
Ginagawa mo ba ito, Jerry? Okay, let's try. Are we ready? Okay, Jerry. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay.
Okay!
Your score is
8785!
Okay. Sige,
Thank
nanood
you
yan.
so much!
8, 5.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Ang next natin, si Jerail Luis.
Siya si Jerry.
Oo, si Jerail. Next natin si Gail
Okay,
Maniol.
next is Gail Maniol. Hi,
Yes,
Gail.
ayan na.
Okay, quick photo tayo dito.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Okay. Then put natin
Thank
tayo
you.
sa
At
punching
itatry na
machine.
natin. Sir Manny, first time natin sa Global Village.
First time here.
Okay, alam nyo, marami kayong pwedeng puntahan dito sa Global Village. So, pati
Actually,
yung
buong
shopping.
mundo nandito, Sir Manny eh.
Ang ganda. Nandito.
Ganda.
Sobra, di ba? Paborito din namin tong lugar eh. I believe, are we ready?
Thank you
Okay.
so much, of course, our friends from Global Village who made this possible. Ayan. At nakikita naman natin, we also want to thank, hindi lang mga kabayan natin, nakikita natin, your fans from different countries,
That's right.
Sir Manny.
Okay, suntukin mo na ating punching machine. Go!
There's a from Mexico.
Go, go, go.
Okay.
And then your score is
90.32.
90.32.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much, Gail. Salamat. Okay, next. Winner
We have
natin.
Harrison
Harrison.
Bautista. Oo. Ayun na.
Yan, gusto ko.
Sir
Yan,
Manny.
tumatakbo.
Ayan
Oo,
o.
ang ganun to. O, picture ka muna. Quick photo. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright. Okay, dito na lang tayo sa machine.
Kinabahan. Si Harrison.
Harrison. Okay, are you ready? Okay, anytime. Go! Oy! Parang sumusuntok din tong si Harrison ha. And your score is 95.12. 95.12. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Okay, next. Winner natin, our last winner actually, we have Faustino Bautista. Faustino, please join us on stage. Quick photo muna tayo.
Si Daddy
Alright.
Faustino.
Daddy Faustino, ready? 3, 2, 1, and... Okay.
Okay. Kayang-kaya ba? Set?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Sir.
Anytime, sir. Okay, and once again, gusto natin pasalamatan ng Global Village for making this possible. And of course, after this one, tomorrow, si Sir Manny naman ay makikita din natin, of course, sa Dubai Parks and Resorts. Tomorrow yan. I think we're ready. Anytime, sir. Go.
Yun!
Okay, let's
Oo.
see. Your score is... One more.
Okay,
One more time, one more
isa
time.
Isa pa, sure.
Go!
Yun!
Ayun! Your score is... Parang zero. Ano ba yan? Parang na-zero ako yung Faustino. Anong score? What's the
First
score?
time!
15? 15? 15, your score is...
15!
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Thank you so
lang
much.
po
Thank you so much.
yan. Ayun na nga, palakpakan naman natin lahat ng winners natin ng meet and greet.
That's
with
right. With Sir Manny Pacquiao. And maraming salamat din, sir. Ibig niyan
Thank
sabihin,
you.
nakita niyo naman yung mga scores, di ba?
Oo.
Walang nakatalo talaga. Grabe, di ba?